Chapter 46, Willpower, Irava. The feeling is not so different than when Toravan gave me his will during the storm. It's a synchronicity, a moving through a moment together. And Nikolai might have his will in Toravan's soul, and this glow between Toravan and me looks dimmer than it probably should be. But it hasn't faded. I'm not powerless here yet. I dimly hear another voice in the crowd calling for the guards to take me. That I'm the enemy, that I'm harming the king. I shut it out. I shut it all out. The voices, the panic, the fear. I shut everything out but my breath and Toravan in front of me, and I focus on that resonance between us. I'm facing a different storm today, another storm of Nikolai's making, and I need the strength of another weaver to face it, and he needs mine. I don't dare let myself think. I dart back to Toravan and cup the back of his neck, drawing him down to kiss me. He's rigid enough from the battle going on within that he doesn't immediately throw me off, though it's an effort to pull him down. I give him my willpower. I pour it into him. Give him all of it. Every last bit I can spare. I roar at him, who he is. A king whose will was strong enough to face down a storm. Strong enough to pursue his father's killers, even though he feared the trail had gone cold. Strong enough to face the court today and propose what he proposed. Strong enough to stand against his enemy now, and he is not standing alone. Absolutely not alone. The warmth of his soul breaks through the coldness of Nikolai's control and blazes out at me like the sun. He grips my shoulders, kisses me back with a need that's pure desperation. His stubble rough where it brushes against my cheek. His breath sour with fear and sweet with the wine he drank this morning. My lips dry and cracking from the tension. It will not be our last kiss. It will not. I shift my hands to either side of his face, grounding him, like when I drove the stakes into the ground in the storm and pinned him beneath me, kept him from being dragged away. This storm can't have him either. I stare into his eyes, showing him all I feel for him. I love you, Toravan Braze. I love you. And I know he sees it, because his own eyes soften as he gazes back at me. Then Toravan pulls back with a shudder, fingers digging into my arms, holding on to me with all he has. Together, we broke something. For a moment, Nikolai's threads in Toravan were fraying, still there, but not as strong or as steady. Around us, the angry rhythm of the voices turns, for a moment, to discordant murmurs and confusion. But it doesn't last for long. Toravan grunts, grips my arms tighter, tight enough that it hurts, and I weave my illusion of Caleb back into my reality with furious focus to better brace him. Nikolai's regained his focus, and he's doubling down. Caleb. Toravan hisses through clenched teeth, and it's a plea. This battle isn't over. And it isn't yet won. The voices around us rise again into anger. I dart a quick look around, as much as I can see beyond Toravan, locked in place again in front of me.